You think he's crazy? Until you hear he makes $8 million a year. He spent $5 million to rent a whole mountain just to raise pigs inside caves. At first, people thought, what is this wild boar farming? But then, silence. Because cave temps stay 59 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit all year round. No fans, no AC, no heaters, low cost, fast growth, happy pigs. This isn't a pig pen. It's a 5-star spa resort. For bacon. The floor, natural dirt and rock. The poop, absorbed by the soil. Part becomes fertilizer, part flows to orchards. So basically, no cleaning, no stink, no pollution, no waste. It's nature.